Hey guys, back here again with another booster box break for you. This time I have the base set Kids Next Door trading card game made by Wizards of the Coast. And just check out all the sides there. And there's seven cards in each pack and 24 packs in each box. So let's get right into it. I'm looking for quite a few cards still, so that's why I got a box for my set. A lot of hollows and still a few of the commons and everything. So I'll be doing it in two parts. There's one side there, so let's get started. 120 cards in the set, along with 15 of the sticker cards. And there we go, we got a hollow right off the bat there. Really cool. Like I was saying, the 15 sticker cards, and then there's 5 checklists. So I'm looking for one of the sticker cards and none of the checklists. So just one sticker card, a bunch of hollows, and some of the rares, and quite a few of the commons actually. So there we go. There's Captured, Brainwashed, Spank Attack. And there's Surf Flyer. There's another hollow. Pretty cool with the flames. Kind of reflective there, like a mirror finish. Pile Driver Pilot, Ready to Rumble, Cheese Repository, and a sticker and checklist. Let's get these organized really quick. Alright. So there's 120 cards in this set, so it's fairly big. So and there's one. Interesting Twins is a rare. And there's the sticker and the checklist. Just pull these right out here. Alright, there we go. There we have Gotcha, Flying Kick, Dart, Freeze, Deadly Super Ship. I know I have that hollow already, so but still cool getting another hollow. And our sticker and checklist. And then we have Battle Ready Armor, Big Guns, Super Defense Grid, Casual, and there, I don't know how to say that one. Mr. B's are rare, Utopia Pool, and the sticker and checklist. So, I remember watching this all the time on Cartoon Network. I love the show. Just so fun to watch. I still watch it online every once in a while. So there, Hippity Hops are rare, and our sticker and checklist. So hopefully this box will bring me closer to finishing my set. I know I'm looking for a lot of hollows. So really can't find too many singles anywhere online, and if I do, they're really pretty expensive. Like, really hard to find them. So it's better off just buying packs or buying boxes online. They're fairly cheap, a lot cheaper than looking for singles. So that's why I got a box, and been able to find packs online for fairly cheap too. So been opening a lot of Kids Next Door lately, and I just recently started the second set in the series, Super Evil. That's really cool. It's only 80 cards in that set, so hopefully it won't be as hard to complete. Big Guns, Super Defense Grid, Casual. And there's another holo. Can't really tell, there's not really a holo pattern on there. I can see the triangles, but not too much. There's our sticker and card list, and our last pack for this part here. We have Spill the Beans, Blast 'em, Duo Plane, Head Lice, Takeoff, and Spray Ships is our rare, School, and our sticker and card list. Well, that will do it for part 1 of my Kids Next Door TCG Booster Box Break. Stay tuned for part 2.